Here to install pandas in PyCharm. So let's begin. First go to Spotlight and just write PyCharm, open it up, and just go to new Python file if you haven't made one, as it is already there with extension py. Just write here import pandas as pd. Here you will get an error because you haven't installed it yet. So just click here and it will get installed. As you can see here, it's installing. It will take some time, and you need to get internet connection for this. So see, as it is getting installed here, it will get installed in some time, and yeah, it's done. So in order to check if it is installed or not, you just need to check the version of it. So write pd dot underscore underscore version. You'll get it here in the suggestion. Just write it in the print column. So just run it. You'll get the version if it's there. Yeah, here it is. So you have installed it.